Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Why all over the world this trend for liberalization and privatization is asserting itself? Because it is on the unquestionable assumption that private management is much more efficient and productive, and that its day to day performance and operational efficiency are higher. It is not admitted by socialist countries. It is not only being practiced by capitalist countries, but countries with socialist bias are increasingly practicing it. This is the message. What is happening in China today? Why are they also going in for joint ventures? Why are they inviting private entrepreneurs? It is because of this. I want to point out one more thing which war are missing in the debate in their house. We should not apply microeconomic logic to a question which is essentially macroeconomic in character. Steel and anything else which pertains to steel is very important, like a few other items for the national economy, because if we do not produce more and more steel, if we do not register a fast growth in the steel sector, we are not going to achieve the goals which our new policy has set before us. Therefore, we must ensure a faster growth in steel. That is not possible if we do not rely increasingly on the private sector participation. One member asked, why this privatization? It is not a case of privatization, it is a joint venture. Conceptually, there is a fundamental difference. We should not confuse things. I would like to draw the attention of the House to one more thing. Let us turn a few pages from the fantastic story of the economic growth of Japan. It is not necessary that when a public sector unit is doing well, it cannot invite private sector participation. In fact, in Japan's economy, they have followed a flexible policy. Whenever anything went wrong in a private industry, they nationalized it, set it right, and then denationalized it because they believed more in private sector efficiency. This is one of the main factors which contributed to the making of the Japanese giants seen all over the world what they are today. If we have accepted the liberalization policy, if we have accepted the privatization policy, let us give a full trial to it with full confidence in ourselves. The whole nation from every nook and corner has supported this new policy. There is a massive public opinion in favor of it. Yet, in every deal, we are going to resist it. If we get bogged down in this kind of debate, and if every deal is questioned, we will not be able to go ahead. Stop. Thank you.